My part-time externship was with a family law judge in Santa Monica, and I knew that family law was a practice area that I was really interested in, but here at UCLA there were really only one, maybe two courses that dealt with family law. One obviously is family law and the second is community property. So it sort of felt like the knowledge base that I could have of that practice area was exhausted by taking those two classes. So I really wanted to get an in-depth look at what this field really involves, what practicing family law would be like on a daily basis, and how these cases were adjudicated. So this seemed like the perfect opportunity to do that. My experience was great. I was given sort of a lot to do, but I really enjoyed it. I was able to sit in with the judge in his chambers for chambers conferences. I actually helped with a child interview that was conducted in chambers. I was able to sit in and observe a lot of the courtroom proceedings to see just basically what's going on and how do these cases get handled. And then I also did a lot of research and writing for the judge, and I would draft bench memos on areas of contested law or unsettled law, or just areas where he wanted to know more about what was going on in that area. And so I would write those memos for him, and I often had to do it on a very quick basis, so I became really efficient in my research and writing skills. The part was just getting to get outside of the law school and get a new experience. Being in a courtroom is very different from sitting in a classroom every day, so it was just nice to have a different experience, something to sort of counterbalance what I was doing here at school. And then I also developed a great professional relationship with the judge, and was able to get a lot of insight into his career and how he came to where he's at today, and then a lot of what goes into his decision making, what factors are important, behavior that attorneys might exhibit that may hurt their case. So I just got a lot of insight that I think will be really helpful to me no matter what field of law I end up practicing. I would recommend this to anyone who has an interest in a field of law where maybe there aren't that many classes offered on it here at UCLA. It's a great way to get out and sort of get an in-depth view of what goes on in that field of law that you might not be able to get through classes.